If you like cookies but are trying to stay healthy, check out the Perfect Keto cookies. They're keto-friendly, paleo-friendly, added sugar-free, gluten-free, and only 2 grams of net carbs per cookie. Here's what customers have to say about our new cookies.
Most keto cookies taste just like erythritol and almond flour, and that's all I taste. These taste like regular cookies.
So as someone who has recently lost 108 pounds with a ketogenic lifestyle, treats like this make it so easy to stay on track.
They are loaded with high fat, low protein, good calories for my macros, and will keep me full and satiated throughout the evening until dinner.
For somebody like me who has portion control issues, they're perfectly portioned into the perfect sizes. They're soft, they're delicate, they're chewy. There's none of the telltale erythritol grit and cooling effect.
What I like most about these are the clean ingredients, the perfect macros, and the taste.
Both of them are delicious. They taste homemade.
Now what I love is that they're soft, but they also hold up to the coffee dump. Cookies are back.
Try the only cookie you can eat and feel good about with Perfect Keto cookies.